So today we're going to do part 2 of the behind the scenes of a Medicare Advantage appointment. It's time for another look behind the curtain. Talked about a lot of things last week, and really what I'm wanting you to get from this is what to expect from an agent. Finding out all your doctors, all your medicines, asking all the right questions. But there's some more questions. The first I wanted to talk about is the scope of appointment. Now this should be the first thing that happens. It's what they're allowed to talk about on this appointment. If you wanted to have them out to talk about a Medicare Part D plan, well, once they're out there, they couldn't pivot and talk to you about a Medicare Advantage plan unless you signed another scope of appointment. So just be aware of that. Number 2, where Medicare Advantage plans really add up as far as the copay is on Part B drugs. You heard me right. I didn't say Part D drugs. These are Part B. These are drugs that the doctor actually administrates. For instance, chemotherapy, infusion drugs, some vaccines. Those are Part B drugs, and oftentimes you have to pay 20% of the cost of those. Be sure and ask questions about what their coverage is for Part B drugs. And then a big one is travel. If you travel a lot, or let's say that you spend 3 months out of the year in Florida, then Medicare Advantage, you need to be aware of your limitations there. So when you're in your hometown, you have access to all your doctors that are in network, the hospitals, everything. But when you leave for those 3 months, what you have is emergency coverage and urgent care coverage. You're not going to have that same access to medical care. And that's something to really think about. You know, if you're planning a procedure, just make sure you go back home. But sometimes these things aren't planned. Those are 3 tips that I want you to really think about and be aware of before someone comes out to talk to you about Medicare Advantage plans. Still might be a great choice for you. Be sure and like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us as we build this community. And I have a free guide for you. It's 10 Medicare mistakes that seniors make that can cost them thousands of dollars. And I want you to avoid every one of them. So click below and you can get your own free guide. Thanks. See you next video.